This is Jesus Manuel Mena Garza for RVing Travel Adventures. Hope you're doing fantastic. Today I'm at my storage facility for my RV, and I'm going to be doing two tasks. One is check my refrigerator. During my last trip, the refrigerator was quite frosty. It was set for cool, cold, and colder. We had it out colder, and we set it for between cool and colder. Hopefully there was going to be less frost. So we're going to check the temperature, see how it is working out. And second, I'm going to be checking the quick connection for the propane. Make sure it's not leaking. We're going to do a quick test and do that. So let me turn around the camera and let's see how this works out. There's my truck. Today we're also going to be checking out some potential RVing sites here in the greater DFW area. There's my RV. My wife's already inside, so we got to check it out. Where's that quick connect, by the way? I don't know, I forget where the quick connect is. Where's that quick connect? Who knows? I never used the quick connect. Let's see, where is down here? Oh, is that it? I think that's it. I think that's the quick connect. I could be wrong. So everything's chalked and set up. This is my neighbor. This is mine. I just put down the... So, sweetie, let's check the, can you check the temperatures for me? Do the honors. I would greatly appreciate it. This is my wife, Anne-Marie Limer. She's going to check the temperature. And what's that one say? It says, 10 degrees. It's supposed to be 0, so that's a little warm. What does this one say?
It says 50.
50. Should be 40. So let's raise it up. Right now we're between cool and cold. Let's move it up about a half a notch. So 3/4 of the way to cold, and we'll call it good.
And this is what it was earlier. Cool. And then we have it in the middle. And now we're going to have it at 3/4 toward cold. And hope that will get us to 40 here and 0 up here. Without the but look, see, the frost is already frosting.
Oh, that's not good. It's
It's definitely not good.
Well, it's probably a poor design of the refrigerator.
I guess so. We'll have to look in the. We
have a GE refrigerator. Of course, this is a Rockwood Mini Lite, and it's just a generic Chinese refrigerator that everybody uses. But obviously, it's not working. So let's go outside. And this is our RV right now. We got it set in storage mode. Got some new ice cube trays. That's my wife in the background saying, Jesus, it's ice cube trays. It's ice cube trays. Okay, get the spray bottle, sweetie. I think it's down here somewhere, if I remember correctly. Yep, that's it. There's a propane quick connect. I'm going to turn on the propane in the front. So let's turn on this one. Got this one on, and we got the switch, this big white switch. We turn it towards the side, so it's now pointed towards the side, and this is on. There's a recall right now for the regarding propane. So can you spray it? Oh, me go down here.
Where?
This thing right here. You have to take off the cap.
Okay. Wow, this is tough. Show them what we're sitting on.
We're sitting on
pretty rough stuff here.
Yeah, we're sitting on some serious
So
rock.
this is the cap?
Yeah, take it off.
Okay.
And spray it. See if it
Spray this?
Spray the whole brass contrivance. See if anything bubbles. So we have some soapy water. See if it makes some funny gurgling sounds or something. You can take that off, by the way.
How is it on there? I can't. Whoa. I guess that's how it. It's got a tie on it.
Yeah, twisty tie.
Twisty tie.
It's hard to tell.
Yep. Well, let's try it again. Where would the leak be happening? Would it be here?
It'd be the
or
whole.
The whole thing is.
Basically, they said they use poor metal, and so it's cracking. So they
Yeah.
got some budget metal, trying to save some money,
Yeah.
and the metal fatigued or fell apart. It's not
It
working
looks
very.
pretty. Ooh.
You see any bubbles?
No.
Okay.
This is interesting. Does something get attached to this thing?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
That's a quick connect.
Oh, very cool.
Oh, I'm gonna get up. My butt's hurting.
Should I put the lid back on?
Yes, put the lid back. Put the lid back on, sweetie.
All right, there it goes. It's nice and tidy now. Nice and clean. It got a good bath. But I don't think anything happened. It was bubbling.
So let me turn this off. It's going to be off. Nice and snug. This one's already off. And we're going to move that down with the arrow pointed down. So this has been Jesus Manuel Menagarza checking the refrigerator. Still a bit warm by about 5-10 degrees. It's not good. We want it nice and cool. Still frosting. I guess we're going to have to live with the frost. It looks like even at a lower temperature, it's frosty. This budget GE Chinese-made refrigerator is essentially on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being excellent and 1 being good, it's about a 3. It's not a very good refrigerator for DC refrigerators. There's some other brands out there that are excellent, but obviously this GE refrigerator in my 2205S Rockwood Mini Lite is not very good. They have different refrigerators that put in different units, and the one I got for my December 2021 build is not very good. And from what I can tell, the quick connect for the propane did not bubble, did not have any issues, but I'm going to come back again and check it again. And I'm not really using it, to be honest with you. I'm not using any the outdoor grill or anything else that uses that, so we'll see how it works. We'll check it out again, maybe in a month, and in the interim, not use it. So this has been Jesus Manuel Menagarza. I hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. I'm at the place where I store my RV. This is where I store my RV. Hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. Thanks for watching my videos. This, again, has been Jesus Manuel Menagarza. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And please leave your kind and super friendly comments below, abajo. And finally, don't forget to check out my Patreon page, patreon.com/JMMGarza. From, where am I? I'm south of Fort Worth, in Crowley, Texas. This is my storage facility. Again, muchas gracias. Thanks for checking out my video. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.